Well, hello. How are you all doing? I was sitting around thinking of some things that I could teach you or tell you about from home. So I thought, what about tying shoes? So I went ahead and grabbed me a shoe. I hope that you guys can see it. And I went ahead and made sure the laces were untied. So if you want to learn to tie your shoes, you're going to take both strings, put one under, one over, and the one that goes over, you're going to pull it through. And then you're going to pull it down. Then you're going to make two bunny ears. Do you see my bunny ears? Okay, then you're going to put one set of bunny ears on top of the other. Pull that set through the hole and pull, and you get your shoe tied. Now, that's the traditional way. I would like to show you guys one of my tricks. If you will take your shoelace in this little plastic part right here, if you will stick it in this little hole where it is coming out of, like so. You see how I did that? And it comes through. Then you can do the other one the exact same way. You just put that clear plastic part through the hole. So you can see how that is sticking through the top, just a little bit on top. You now have two super huge bunny ears. Do you see that? And it's kind of the same thing. You will take one bunny ear and put it down low, one on top. Just like so, one on bottom, one on top. Then you're going to stick that top bunny ear through the hole and pull. Now don't pull too hard because you don't want it to come out. Then you're going to do it one more time. Top bunny ear on the top, pull it through the hole and tie. And guess what? That ends up being a double knot for you boys and girls. So I hope that helps you guys and gives you guys something to practice while we are hanging out at home. Have a great day.